Have you ever wondered how a creature that walked the earth millions of years ago can still tell its story today? The answer lies beneath our feet in the form of fossils. Fossils, the preserved remains or traces of animals, plants, and other organisms from the remote past, serve as a window into history, revealing a world that once was. But did you know not all fossils are the same? First, let's dive into the world of body fossils. These are the actual remains of a plant or animal frozen in time. Body fossils can range from bones and teeth to shells and leaves. They are often the first image that comes to mind when one thinks of fossils. When an organism dies and its body is quickly covered by sediment, over time, the organic material is replaced by minerals, creating a rock-like replica of the original organism. This process is known as permineralization, and it gives us a detailed look at the physical characteristics of extinct species. Next on the list are trace fossils. Unlike body fossils, trace fossils are not parts of the organism itself. Instead, they are records of the activity of an organism. Footprints, burrows, nests, and even droppings are all examples of trace fossils. They provide us with clues about an organism's behavior, diet, and environment. Imagine a dinosaur footprint preserved in mud, hardened over millions of years, revealing the creature's size, weight, and even the way it walked. Then come the molecular fossils. These are a bit different from the typical fossils we think of. Molecular fossils or biomarkers are organic molecules that can survive in the rock record for billions of years. They include things like DNA, amino acids, and certain lipids. While they don't give us a physical image of the organism, molecular fossils provide information about the biochemical processes that took place in ancient life forms. Lastly, there are the so-called living fossils. This term refers to modern-day organisms that closely resemble their ancestors of millions of years ago. Examples include the coelacanth, a fish thought to be extinct until it was found alive in the mid-20th century, and the ginkgo tree, which has remained virtually unchanged for over 200 million years. Today, we've journeyed through time, exploring the fascinating world of fossils. We've discovered body fossils, the preserved physical remains of ancient creatures. We've learned about trace fossils, the remnants of prehistoric activity that offer clues about ancient behaviors and environments. We've delved into the realm of molecular fossils, the surviving organic molecules that reveal biochemical processes of long-extinct life forms. And we've encountered living fossils, the modern-day organisms that mirror their ancient ancestors. Each type of fossil provides a unique perspective, a different piece of the puzzle that is our planet's history. They remind us that the earth beneath our feet is much more than just rock and soil. It is a storybook filled with tales of life, death, evolution, and survival waiting to be read. So, the next time you see a fossil, remember, it's not just a stone, it's a story that has taken millions of years to tell.